Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Blockblast support. To contact Blockblast support, simply go ahead and open up the Blockblast application on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu, choose the set button right next to more settings. Now, click on Contact Us. This will open up the feedback page where you can go ahead and enter your name, your email address, and select a category that you need help with. You can also go ahead and write down a descriptive message in the message box and make sure to provide as much information as you can to reach out to their support team. Finally, tap on the little airplane icon at the bottom right to send in the message. Now, whether you are facing issues or have questions on Blockblast, you can easily contact Blockblast support for assistance. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more game support tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.